Force headquarters to go and complain. They told me because I'm an Igbo boy, I cannot get justice in my country.
That was what the policeman told
Yes, he told me that he would tell me the truth. That I should just leave it for God. Leave it for God.
So today's date is 20th January 2025 and the time is exactly 11:32. Now immediately after this video, we are going straight to the Commissioner of Police and we want everybody involved in this to be brought out, to all be brought to book. We'll go straight to the Commissioner of Police or Olatunji Justice office. Now, if what this guy is alleging is true, that means Nigeria is in a very, very big problem. If what this guy is saying is true, that after what happened to him, he went to the police to report, and the police told him that because he's Igbo, he should not forget about the matter, that he cannot get justice. Then this case it will not be swept under the carpet. Everybody involved will be brought to book. Exactly. Now, bros, straight from your mouth, tell everybody what happened. Then immediately from here, I've given them the current time. Immediately from here, straight to Oga's office, Disu's office, and then we'll follow up from there. And I believe that Nigerians will also pay attention to this case. So please, what did you say happened? I
was shot multiple times.
On what day?
December, close to November 28th, 2023. That is close
Share
to
this video.
The end of the year.
I'm coming.
Okay. I was shot multiple times, but the person that set me up was one of the security in the estate.
Okay.
They used to call him Baba. So this man set me up, invited the people that even did the thing is his children. All of them, they gang up, they were many, over like 30. They came to my house that fateful day. I've already shared my story, so I'll make it very short. So after everything, they shot me. They shot me multiple times because they wanted to kidnap me. I refused to go with them. You understand? I fought with them. So for them not to cast, they don't want to like know who did the thing to me, so they had to shoot me. I was lying lifelessly on the floor. My brother, and before they even shot me, police was even around. But I understand that it was close to the festive period. Nobody wants to risk their life for such. So when my brother came to my rescue, and I thought I was going to die at any moment, so I was telling him, bro, this is the password to my phone, this is the password to this is the password to that, this is why I kept this document, you understand? In case I don't make it, take care of the family, you know. I was just giving him my last word. I was like, this is the person that came for me. Baba and his children, they were many, they came to the house.
Share
all
this
of them
video.
was armed
I'm
with
coming.
AK-47. New guns. Where are these people getting these guns? You understand? While I was lying, while they were trying to like rush me to the hospital, this Baba now came out, thinking I was dead. He was like, what happened?
The same Baba that you saw?
Yes. I see, immediately I was like, he's among, they should hold him, he's the one that set it up and everything, he's among. You understand? They wanted to beat the man. Police rescued him. You understand? They took him away. Police was taking my statement, asking me questions, what do you do, this, that.
While you were still injured?
Yes, while I was still injured, I was about to die and all. Like, if I had issues with people and someone, I said no, I was just giving them, I was thinking I was going to die. They rushed me to several hospitals, they rejected me. Till I finally got to another hospital, where they treated me because, oh God. Do you know, after the end of this, I came out from there. I spent a month and 2 weeks in the hospital. I came out of the hospital, so I went to know what's going on with the case and everything. Lo and behold, they released the Baba. I heard they released the Baba. I went after one other guy.
Why did they release the Baba? What reason were they giving?
I don't know why they released him.
Calm down, my brother. Calm down.
I even went that day. They discharged me from hospital.
This was in 2023.
No, this one happened. When I came out from the hospital was in February. I think. No, I came out in January.
Okay.
I came out January from the hospital. This last year, 2024.
Okay.
You understand? So I started following the case up and on. That day they discharged me from hospital. I went after one of the guys with the
one of the Baba children.
Yes, one of the guys.
Okay.
Lo and behold, I saw him in the estate. He was still walking. He thought I was dead.
Okay.
You understand? How the police carry out the investigation and all.
That means the police did not do anything about it.
They did not do anything.
Okay, so when you saw the boy, what did you do?
When I saw the boy, I went to pick up police and I went to arrest him. I'm even regretting why I hand those boys over to the police because I don't know anything about them till now. They told me that they are in the prison. 2 of them are in the prison. You understand? They released Baba, but they can get him anytime. How about what if I die? So I will not get justice. I went to the Force headquarters to go and complain. They told me because I'm an Igbo boy, I cannot get justice in my country.
That was what the policeman told you?
Yes, he told me that he would tell me the truth. That I should just leave it for God. Leave it for God.
So you mean they shot you? There's evidence that these people were involved. You identify your shooters, and then when the case. Okay, so that's one of the Baba's sons.
Yes, one of the Babas. So I don't even have the Baba's number here. There's one other guy again. That guy gave that guy money in the afternoon. Not like I was a bad. They call him Damina.
Okay.
You understand? What they do, they go to estate to estate. I'm regretting why I hand these people to the police. But all I want to know who did this thing to me. If they were sent, or if it was just a random attack. Why is that man still in the estate? Because nobody's talking anything about it. Everybody's scared. Everybody's living with fear. The man is still in the estate.
The Baba is still working there.
Yes, he's still working there.
You said something about these same people went to go and carry kidnap one man.
They kidnapped one. They went to they tried to kidnap the man. They shot the man, took the wife. This one happened. I can even show you the video of the picture of the man. I'll put them on.
Yes.
They shoot the man. They killed the man. Took the wife. Demanded for a ransom of 1 million naira. Because of 1 million naira, they killed this person.
In that your estate?
Close to the estate, not in the estate.
These same people.
These same people.
Now you also told me something, because me, I'm a very straightforward person. You told me something about guns, selling guns, and around
the person that used to give me information about these people, where they are, because they gave the information. They went to Nasara to go and pick some of them that ran away. These are some of them. I don't even know where they are. They say they are in prison, but I don't know where they are. I don't know if truly they went to prison or not.
So far so good. These people have been released.
Baba has been released, but why is he still in the estate? Why did they release him?
And you have you left the estate, or you're still there?
No, I left the estate.
You left the estate?
Yes.
But you are still not comfortable because Baba is still working freely.
Exactly.
And you saw him the day you were attacked.
Yes.
Now,
even with my information, they told me that there's a place they used to rent gun in Abuja here. I gave all this information and still nothing is working. I even brought the person that was giving me information to work with the police. Still nothing is happening. So me, I'm not believing that, oh, what that man told me, that I cannot, since I'm an evil guy, I cannot get justice.
Don't worry. Okay, so now if this thing happened in 2023, Olatunji Disu, CP, he was not in Abuja then.
Exactly.
So I will quickly take this case to him, and maybe the person in the CP then was CP Bennett Igwe. That one is also a very good policeman. So I don't know the IPOs that they gave the case. I don't know what they did with the case, but I know about these commissioners and what they have been doing so far. So what we'll do is take it straight to Oga's office, Olatunji Disu's office. We'll table it, and I believe that Nigerians will want to know what happened in this case and why criminals were people that tried to kill somebody were arrested and they were freed. So imagine if this guy had lost his life. That's how this guy would not have gotten justice.
Of anybody. I don't live my life in fear.
And that part where they said because he's Igbo, that's a problem. We are all Nigerians. We are all Nigerians. I don't do tribal. I don't do religion. If you are Nigerian, you are Nigerian. So if you are telling somebody that because he's Igbo, he cannot get justice, then the policing system in Nigeria is just tribal. And we cannot have that in Nigeria. Where Nigeria won't go if Nigeria our police, the guy is alive. You understand? Everything in there, he has all his evidence, which I'll place a lot of them. No. We'll go to the Commissioner of Police office now. You understand? We'll go there now.
I'm even getting my hand that boy.
No, my brother, no worry. We'll ask.
Wait. No worry. I consider myself as a dead man. I swear to God.
Like I said, I trust
what I went through, but I'm not sure anybody will survive.
My brother, no worry. Like I said, I trust the Commissioner of Police that is in Abuja now, Olatunji Disu, to give us results. He will give us results. Is the Commissioner of the FCT. He will give us results. If you went to the first headquarters and they told you that because you are Igbo you cannot get justice, then there's a problem. There's a very big problem. There's a very big problem. Imagine
I'm even still living with bullet in my leg, and so this man is working freely.
No, you don't have a problem. We'll go there now.
He's working freely, and every day all these crime rates keep increasing, because they feel like they have someone. Who be the person who did the top, who they sponsor this thing?
Don't worry, my brother. We go to Nigeria.
I'm not live my life in fear. If any all of them they fear, everybody keep quiet. How this country want it better? Smart they tell you say run out of the country, If everybody run, who go do the country?
Don't worry yourself, my brother. Nigerians won't know. I am also curious to know why they let them go. So we are going there now to go and make a report, and now it's in the public, so everybody don't know what they go on. So we'll see, and we'll see the results that will be gotten out of this. Thank you.